Hey guys, so we are in Fillmore, California, and out and about in our pajamas, about to catch a train
to the Polar Express.
Yeah, so we got some tickets to do a Polar Express experience on the train here. So we just got here, we're about to check in, and we'll take you along with us. Let's go.
Let's go.
Fillmore Station. There's a train. I don't know if that's going to be our train. There's some snowflake lights going on and some music playing. We're trying to figure out where we go and check in. Okay, so we found it. The Polar Express train ride this way. It says check in. And so they have a lot of other types of train rides here, including a murder mystery dinner, which runs year round. They have this nice tent set up. Yeah, here's our check-in, so we found it.
There's the restrooms.
And right across from check-in are the restrooms. But we are rather early, just give you guys a heads up. Because we were coming from Burbank, we anticipated a lot of traffic, so we are here a little over an hour before we need to be. But see a very large tent, and here goes Marzz to check us in. But it's nice, they have this tree set up, packages. So here's this list of ingredients, let you know about the cookies that we're gonna have, and the hot chocolate mix. So you can take photos, video as noted.
Got 2 golden tickets. Because you said they're part of the show. And
Yeah.
we also got our actual tickets to ride the train.
Yeah, but you guys remember from the film, they put hole punches. They punched the golden tickets, so I think that's what they'll be doing here.
It's cool. Don't lose it though, because one of them lost and they had to go through the toy shop.
Yeah, and she let us know to be back at 7:30 and not to be late. That people do unfortunately miss their train.
I know, that's sick.
But we're back in the back of the tent now, and they have this little station set up so you can write letters to Santa, which is pretty cool. Grab one here just to show you. So you can fill this out, Polar Express train ride. You can fill it out and then you put it into the mailbox here and send your wish list to Santa Claus. So as we're on the far end now, just to show you guys, a lot of space in here. It's pretty comfortable.
Yeah, it's pretty
And so now I think we just wait. Oh, it's a nice atmosphere out, and today it happens to be in the low 60s, which for California,
It's chilly.
in this time of year, it's actually pretty decent. Yeah,
It's not
Marzz
too cold, but
thinks
it
it's
is
a little chilly.
Like I would have brought because you're encouraged to wear pajamas, which we are.
Yeah, so
but
Marzz is
I
rocking
would
some
have brought
pajamas.
my robe on top of this because
Yeah.
it is a little chilly.
I got my pajamas on. These are my Clark Griswold dinosaur pajamas. So when you guys watch Christmas Vacation this year, look for them. He's wearing them when he goes up into the attic and when he's lying in bed and he's got the sap all over his hands. You'll notice them now. You'll never not be able to see them.
And they're very soft.
They told us to come out to start queuing up. We have our golden ticket, our round trip tickets in hand.
Oh, you see the back?
We're about to get onto the train. Oh yeah, here's the back side.
Hold on.
Oh, there's the light. There it is. So there's a better look at one of the cars and look at the inside. See the garlands strewn through and the different, looks like there's little hot chocolate cups or coffee cups up top. Some wreaths.
If you are here for the 7:50 departure, please hold your golden tickets high in the air. Golden tickets in the air, please. Next stop, the North Pole.
Is it real?
I see. Hold this, please. Is this you? Well, it says here, no photo with the department store Santa this year, no letter to Santa, and you made your sister put out the milk and cookies. Sounds to me like this is your crucial year. If I were you, I would think about climbing on board. Cool. Come on, I've got a schedule to keep. Well then, how about all of you? Are you coming? I said, are you coming? All aboard the Polar Express! All aboard! All aboard!
Alright, that was pretty fun. A little, kind of like a little show to begin with. And this is our train here. So we're going to go to spot number 1. We are in the Silver Bell. Alright, here we go. Some big steps here. Ooh, it's a bit dark. Oh, I can smell the hot cocoa instantly.
Oh, you can smell the hot
A lot of
chocolate.
containers. But you can smell it as soon as you walk in. It's nothing but hot cocoa smell.
Oh, look at baby.
Wow, look at this, guys. So here's a closer look at all of the decorations. The golden ticket ornaments. Gifts, presents. Alright, there's our seats, 51 and 52. Here's a look at the platform we were just at. And as we get situated, we will be on our way.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, it's pretty epic, all the music and everything going. Nice.
I love all the ornaments.
So they're supposed to kind of go through the story of the film. And they'll have some singing chefs just like in the movie while they serve us different items like the hot cocoa we mentioned we can already smell. So it's sort of supposed to be kind of like a live show, like a play, like while we ride onto the train. So.
Yeah.
And I think they said it's about 2 hours. Our departure time is supposed to be 7:50. They called us out of the building at 7:30, and it is now basically 7:40. Moving right along, we'll kind of try to keep an eye on the time and keep you updated, just to give you an idea of how long this lasts in case you come and do this experience yourselves.
But it's nice and warm in here.
Yeah, so pretty exciting. They'll get everyone seated and then we'll be on our way.
Yeah.
Is your conductor speaking? Welcome aboard the Polar Express. Seems that you have arrived in the perfect month, on the perfect day, for the perfect moment to be aboard this train. For the journey you are about to take was designed especially for you to learn something. As you boarded the Polar Express today, your golden ticket was stamped with something special that was chosen just for you. By the end of your journey, it will mean something to you, something you must carry with you after the journey is complete. See, one thing about trains, it doesn't matter where they're going. What matters is deciding to get on. I have just given the all clear for our journey to begin. Well, are you coming?
Are you coming?
Oh, come on now, come on. I have a schedule to keep. I repeat, are you coming?
Are you coming?
Welcome aboard the Polar Express.
Here we go, leaving the station here, the Fillmore station.
Tickets, please. Please, get your tickets ready.
On our
Golden
way.
tickets high in the air, everyone. Tickets in the air, just like this.
Tickets
the sound of her blinking. Everything's happening on the Polar Express. That's the sound of her singing. I'll check my manifest.
Welcome aboard the Polar Express! We would like to take a moment to introduce ourselves. My name is Randy.
My name is Jessie.
And my name is Frankie.
And now at the count of 3, I would love to hear what your names are. Ready? 1,
One,
2, 3. That was great.
Well, hello there, everyone. How many of you can see me? Raise your hand if you can see me. Maybe some of you can, some of you can't. But one thing is for sure, seeing is believing. Am I right? Yeah. Sure I am. Seeing is believing. But sometimes the most real things in the world are the things we can't see. Oh, where's my manners? For those of you who can see me, allow me to introduce myself. I am the proud owner of this train. It's like I'm the king of this train. The king of the Polar Express. So I hop aboard this rattler anytime I feels like it. And I like to meet the Polex passengers.
Your attention, please. Are there any Polar Express passengers in need of refreshment?
Yes.
I thought so. Anyone for hot chocolate?
Never let it cool, you better drink up. Yeah, that was pretty neat, huh?
It's really good.
Yeah, it's very sweet, it's very chocolatey.
This is the best Christmas ever.
It's a good start, certainly, especially for November 19th.
Hey, if you go that way, this is the south.
Yeah, so I didn't show you guys, but we did cross one of the major roads a little while ago. Stopped traffic and everything has been passed, but I wanted to show you guys the show. But we are traveling along, not very fast. I think the route they have us on is probably fairly short, but doing a nice slow pace, so it'll take a lot of time and make the show feel longer.
It's supposed to be a scenic route, so in the daytime you can see the fields and the meadows and the mountains.
Yeah.
Oh, look, you got something else. This was not in the movie.
Ooh, look at that. We got Polar Express train ride. So this was the snickerdoodle they mentioned at the desk.
This looks really tasty.
But yeah, it looks pretty good. Look at it, it's pretty thick.
What is this?
So you guys can see how thick it is. Nice thick cookie. Snickerdoodle. Here we go. Alright, so here's my snickerdoodle. Again, it's pretty good size, but this used to be one of my favorite cookies when I was younger. Thinking about 4th, 5th grade, this was my favorite cookie. Snickerdoodle.
It's your favorite?
It used to be.
It looks thick and good.
Yeah, it's a good cookie though. It's pretty soft for being pre-packaged, and you guys can see. But yeah, it's pretty good. So, not too bad. Hot chocolate and a pretty good sized cookie. Good way to start our train ride on the Polar Express.
And they're dancing again.
Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho! Say, They was some good impressions. Let me ask all you something. What exactly is your persuasion on the big man since you brought him up? Yous all sounded like him. Do you really believe? Let me ask you something, kid. What do you hear?
I don't hear anything.
Let me ask all of you, those of you who can see me, raise your hand if you can hear something.
Yeah,
Nobody hears it.
I hear it.
Well, then I'd hold on tight to that golden ticket of yours. If I was you, this is your crucial year.
Young man, why aren't you in your seat?
I was just talking to the king of the Polar Express.
I'm sorry, who?
That guy right there.
Ho, ho, ho.
I don't see anyone.
He's right there. He's pretending to be Santa Claus.
Nope, I don't see anyone and I don't hear anything. Wait. Oh, I do hear something. It's a bell. Someone is shaking a bell.
You can hear his bell?
Whose bell? Young man, I think it's best if you come with me.
Teams are about to arrive at the North Pole.
I can see it. There's presents.
That's enough fun.
Yeah, he has orange trees.
About time. I don't know why, but we're backing up.
I was listening for a sound. A sound a friend had told me I'd never hear. The ringing bells of Santa's sleigh. There is no Santa, my friend had insisted, but I knew he was wrong.
On a star, trying to believe that even though it's far, he'll find me Christmas Eve. I guess that Santa's busy, 'cause he never comes around.
The best time of the year, when everyone comes home with all this Christmas cheer. It's hard to be alone.
Glacier Gulch, which happens to be the steepest downhill grade in the world. So I would advise everyone to hold on tight. What was that? Jiminy Christmas! It seems that something or someone has landed on the roof of this train. I'm off to the roof to investigate.
I need to run this way! Please! I'm at the Polar Express passengers. Somebody very special has arrived to meet you!
Ho, ho, ho. The first gift of Christmas! This bell is a wonderful symbol of the spirit of Christmas. As am I. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
You better keep that in a safe place. Just remember, the true spirit of Christmas lies in your heart for all who truly believe.
Goodness, look at those pajamas. They are fantastic. Wow. How are you doing? So glad you sent me. Oh, it's time for a very important message. Santa got you something. Do you happen to know what it is?
You know?
I think I know, but take a guess.
That's right. You know. Something about precise. And do you know what this spell symbolizes? Yes, that is very true. Leaving. But also, may I ask you a question? Are you two friends by chance? Santa always tells us on the North Pole, there is no greater gift than friendship. So this spell will symbolize friendship, and I hope that you always take that with you.
Thank you.
That's so exciting. Friendship bell.
Friendship bell.
In your pajamas. Did we wake you up to bring you on our train? Well, thank you for coming up to the North Pole to see me. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
And Merry Christmas to you. The first gift of Christmas. A bell from my sleigh. Hello.
You can hear it.
Yeah, I can hear it.
Thank you for being
Can you guys
This is
see
the
that?
Polar
Yeah,
Express.
can you guys see that on here? Polar Express.
Ticket has a letter that I believe should now mean something to you. If you know its meaning, hold your bell high in the air and together ring it as loudly as you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Like that, we are back at the station. Going to the gift shop. Yeah, so that's
I like
interesting.
this better.
Yeah, this one's kind of neat though. The image is all on the inside.
I didn't know there's a train in there. But they kind of like this. Looks like the one from the movie.
Yeah, so these are $7.75. That's actually not bad at all. How much is this one? $12.50.
Because it's like heavier.
Still not bad though, price-wise. A little collectible figurine.
Yeah, it's a decent size.
It's a little light one. I think it's up the train. And it makes it look like the train's light is coming out.
It has the ball on the back.
Yeah, here's one of the lanterns.
This is pretty cool.
That's $17.25. Nice fleece blanket. It's $26.25. In the Polar Express snow globe. And it's $7.50.
Oh, that's fun.
Plush. Trainopoly. That's fun.
Trainopoly.
Here's where some of the folks got their conductor's hats. $15 for an adult hat. Can be a conductor?
Yeah.
Can be. So yeah, and I forgot to check the time exactly when we got back, but it's roughly 20 minutes ago. So it was about an hour train ride. And it took us a few minutes to actually deboard and then go through the gift shop. But this was our car. So that was our train ride to the North Pole on the Polar Express up here at Fillmore. It's just west of Santa Clarita. So these tickets I think retail for $85.
Mm-hmm.
And then children somewhere around
Like 30 to
30 something. Yeah, sorry, we'll probably put the exact prices down right here. But anyways, yeah, this was a fun ride. We had a good time. It was about an hour train ride and thought it was really well done, well organized.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And they're very interactive and personal, which I really like.
Yeah, and if you like the film, you'll love the ride. It's basically the movie played out in front of you, so.
It was kind of neat. I like that it's at night and everything was dark around you because you believe and your imagination goes off and it's like, oh yeah, you are in the North Pole.
Yeah, they do a good job distracting you because we really just went in a straight line and then backed up to come back. So it's very simple, but it was just the idea of being on a train and getting that feel and
just looking at the little kids, like I'm talking about maybe 7
or younger even. Yeah, some of them were like
they were having
4 or 5.
a lot of fun and dancing and the little hot chocolates.
Yeah, definitely a good time for families. They make it real easy. Basically, you just sit there, and so I think it's a good family event to come out to. So this is its first year here at this location. I'm sure they'll continue it, so I would suggest look it up during the holiday season if you guys want to come down and participate. They do have a website. You could just look up Polar Express, like Southern California, and you'll be able to find it.
And they do have it also in Sacramento if you're up north.
Oh, there you go. For all my NorCal pals in Modesto, go check it out. All right, guys, as always, thank you for joining us. We appreciate it. Please click like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.
Next time. Bye.
Bye.